Hello, this is Ms. Mazoo with a lesson on adverbs. Adverbs are words that modify or describe three parts of speech: verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Adverbs can be found by asking four questions: when, where, how, and to what extent. You can see these questions listed in black print on the left side of the whiteboard. Why are adverbs important? They, like adjectives, make writing and speaking more interesting. For examples of adverbs, I have listed on the whiteboard one example by each type of question, and then at the end I give another example. I have also shown which part of speech is being modified or described, and those are listed in red on the right side of the board. Words that answer the question when become adverbs. For example, then I went to the store. Even though it's not a very specific answer, the word then answers the question when I went to the store. The adverb then modifies or describes the verb went. The next question that helps us find adverbs is the question where. She ran away. Where did she run? Away. This example also answers the question how. She ran away quickly. So we have two adverbs in this sentence example. The adverb quickly tells how the girl ran, and the adverb away tells where she ran. Both words modify or describe the verb ran. You will notice that adverbs may come before or after the words they modify. I could change the word quickly to be at the beginning of the sentence, and it would still be an adverb. Quickly, comma, she ran away. An example of an adverb modifying an adjective would be, I was very proud of the win. In this sentence, the adverb very answers the question to what extent, and modifies or describes the adjective proud. By the way, watch out for overusing the adverb very. Create some variety in your writing and speaking and avoid using that word too much. An example of an adverb modifying another adverb would be, he danced quite gracefully. In this sentence, the adverb quite answers the question to what extent he danced gracefully. Gracefully is already an adverb that describes or modifies how he danced. Danced is a verb, so the word gracefully describes a verb. The word quite, on the other hand, describes another adverb, quite gracefully. Words that introduce questions can also be adverbs. If I asked, how did you do on the project? It may seem to be circular reasoning, but how answers the question how. When did you finish the project? When answers the question when. Finding adverbs in sentences is almost like going on a treasure hunt to find multiple treasures. Look at each word and try to identify which part of speech it is in the sentence. Ask yourself each of the four questions for adverbs, and I'll bet you find many that appear together, as we saw from the last example on the board. For more practice, I would advise you to find lots of examples from grammar textbooks and online sites. I hope you have learned something about adverbs today. If you want to review parts of speech through songs or learn more about other parts of speech, visit my website at www.mazoozoo.com, MAZOOSZOO. Don't let the 8 parts of speech trouble you. Take one at a time and enjoy the journey. Happy learning!